Hey guys, welcome to Techter's tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about the best website builder in 2023. Build website for only $3 per month. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Choosing the right website builder is crucial because it determines how your website will look, function, and perform. So the website builder you select should align with your goals and the needs. So if you're a beginner, the things that we're going to introduce today may be best. So if you're tech savvy and want to control, there could be more suitable for you for that one as well. So we need to consider your budget too. Wrong choice might lead to wasted time, frustration, or even higher expenses. So we need to take our time to research and pick the website builder that matches your skills, objectives, and budget to ensure a successful online presence. So we've gone ahead here and tried to search out what is the best website builder. And onto this tutorial, I'm gonna be introducing to you the different website builder that is available right now. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced web designer, then we've got you covered. Now let's start first onto the most popular website builder and content management system out there, which is WordPress. So for you to be able to get redirected onto this page, you'll just need to search wordpress.org onto your local browser, and then you should be able to see this page. So the best thing for this website is this is actually free and open source. However, you'll need hosting to use it, so we recommend that you use Hostinger, where you can get hosting for less than $3 per month. Now, WordPress does have a learning curve, but it's a no-code editor, so you don't need to know how to code to create a fantastic website. It's incredibly cost-effective with a vast library of plugins for SEO. Additionally, and additional functionality. Plus, there are drag and drop website builders like Elementor to make things easier. So for you to be able to get started using this, you're just gonna go ahead and click onto the Get WordPress in here to sign up. So as you can see on what we've mentioned earlier, for you to be able to start, you have two options: to download and install it yourself or set up with a hosting or provider. So you could go ahead and try to do that one. Now we're going to use this WordPress playground demo so that we should be able to see how it looks like onto the editor page. So we have here the sample website. We'll just go ahead and click onto edit site in here. And as you can see here onto the editing page, you could go ahead and update the blog name in here, or the blog home. You just simply click onto the edit button. You could also update the post per page in here. You could also update the different areas such as the header and the footer, and you'll just need to save it so that it would be added onto your website. So this is the next website we're going to use, which is Wix. So this is founded in 2006, and it is known for its user-friendly interface and drag and drop editor, making it a top choice for beginners. So this offers a variety of templates and even an AI tool called Wix ADI to help you design. Pricing starts at $16 per month for the most affordable plan, but there are also free plan to get started. So just keep in mind that the free plan includes Wix branding and doesn't allow custom domain. So for you to be able to use this platform, you'll just go ahead and click on to get started here onto the upper part to create an account. Now you'll have the option to type in your email or continue with the different platforms in here, and then it redirect you onto your sites in here. So for you to be able to create a new website, just simply click on to create new site in here, and then right after it will ask you some questions on what website are you creating, so that Wix would help you achieve what you want to see onto your website. Now this is what the dashboard would look like. So right after choosing some things, they would go ahead and help you set up your business. So you could update your site type, you could connect a custom domain, add your first product, set up shipping delivery, set up payment methods, design your website, and get found in Google. And you should be able to see the different settings as well here onto the left side. So this is what Wix website would look like. If you want to go ahead and design your site, you're just going to go ahead and simply click into this button in here, which is the design site button, so that you'll get redirected onto the editing page. Now you'll have two options on how you would like to design your website. One is you'll let Wix create a site for you. You'll just need to click on to get started or choose from 1,000 of designs from your site or pick a template. Then you'll have the option in there to go ahead and edit it as per your liking. And that's how Wix works onto your website creation. Now let's talk onto this other website that we're gonna use. So this is Hostinger Website Builder. This is established in 2004, not only offers WordPress hosting, but also has its own website builder. So it is similar to Wix with its drag and drop editor and professional templates. So as you can see here, this is the different pricing that I have in here. So we could go ahead and see in here. These are the different web hosting plans that Hostinger have. They have their premium for $2.99 per month, the business at $3.99 per month, and the cloud startup at $8.99 per month. You could see their top features here below so that you should be able to see which one you would like to use, and then you could just simply go ahead and add this to cart to use a certain plan. So usually onto this plan in here, they already include a free domain, SSL certificate, and 100 gig of storage. So for you to be able to use this, you'll just need to go ahead and click onto the login button in here and log in into your account if you have already a paid plan. Moving on, we have here is Webflow. So this is founded in 2013, and this is a fantastic choice for professional designers and those who want to maximize their customization. So it's not that easy to learn, but it offers a visual CSS grid and responsive design features that allow for intricate designs. So let's go ahead and check for their pricing in here. And let's scroll down in here. So as you can see, for starter, they have a free plan. Basic starts at $14 per month. CMS for $23 per month. Business at $39 per month. And they have also the enterprise wherein you'll need to contact them for the price for this. So as you can see, these are the different features that they offer. So this is a really good website since they have a free plan that we could try to use. So let's go ahead and try to click on to get started. It's free in here so that we could go ahead and create an account here on Webflow. So you'll have an option to type in your email or sign in using your Google. Now, as you can see, Webflow will load until it will go ahead and redirect us to the editing page. And as you can see, it will also give us a tutorial on how to use the platform. So you could just go ahead and drag a container in here. So we're just gonna simply do the tutorial in here so that you'll learn how to use this website. Then let's head on to the other platform in here, which is Shopify. So if you're looking to sell products online, this is a powerhouse. It is designed for e-commerce, making it perfect for businesses focused on selling physical or digital goods. So Shopify also allows you to create good-looking websites. As you can see, here are the 3 steps. You'll just need to choose and customize a theme, add your products, and then go ahead and start selling. So let's try to check their pricing plan. Now, as you can see, here are the different plans that it offers. So you can start for free, then enjoy $1 per month for 3 months. So this is the most popular plan that they have, which is the basic for individuals and small businesses, Shopify for small businesses, and advanced for medium to large businesses. So here are their different prices, and you should be able to see also what is included onto that specific plan. So if you want to use that, you could just go ahead and click onto try for free, or you can also compare this to other plans. So as you can see, there are some suggestions onto why some people enjoy this feature above all plan, and there are also alternative solutions for your businesses. So you could go ahead and browse that. And finally, let's head onto the last platform. We have Squarespace. So it's one of the personal favorite, known for its stunning templates. Squarespace is perfect if you want a professional looking website without spending too much time on design. So as you can see, you'll just create a website, e-commerce made easy, and then market your business. So you could go ahead and browse their website in here so that you'll have an overview on what it would look like. So let's try to go ahead and click on to start selling in here to see what it would look like. Now, as you can see, just like Wix, it will ask you how would you like to get started. So there are 2 options. You could choose a professionally designed website template or build a custom template with Squarespace Blueprint. So let's try to browse through the different templates that they offer in here. And as you can see, here are the different templates that it offers. So you could go ahead and click onto the one that you like so that you could go ahead and use it and go ahead and customize it further. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of the best website builders for 2023. Each option has its strengths and weaknesses, but the right choice depends on your specific needs or expertise. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on to our next video.